The single-arm seated machine preacher curl is an exercise that isolates the short head of the biceps since the pad positions the arm in front of the body. Here's how to do it correctly. Adjust the preacher curl's machine's seat height so your upper arm rests comfortably on the padded support with your elbow aligned with the machine's pivot point. Sit on the seat with your chest pressed against the pad and your feet flat on the floor. Grab the machine handle with one hand, using an underhand supinated grip with your arm extended with a slight bend at the elbow to avoid locking out. Your free hand can be pressed into the pad for extra stability. Exhale and slowly curl the handle upward by contracting your biceps, keeping your upper arm stationary against the pad. Continue the movement until your forearm is nearly vertical or you feel a strong contraction in your biceps. Inhale and gradually lower the handle back to the starting position, controlling the movement to maintain tension on your biceps. Keep your upper arm and elbow firmly in contact with the pad throughout the exercise and avoid letting the weight stack touch down to ensure continuous engagement. Avoid using momentum or swinging your body to lift the weight. Complete all the reps on one arm, then switch sides and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.